Do you know what is machine learning? Imagine a computer that didn't need programming and could learn by observing the world like humans. Early AI systems used a symbolic approach, relying on recognizing symbols to seem intelligent. These systems were called expert systems because they were created with the help of human experts. A major problem with expert systems was the creation of too many combinations, making them inefficient. Computer scientists decided you couldn't program intelligence directly. Instead, they aimed to program systems to learn intelligence through observation. These systems didn't sense the world like humans, no seeing, hearing, or feeling. Instead, they learned by sensing data, which became their way of understanding the world. In 1959, Arthur Samuel, a computer scientist, created a checkers program. The checkers program could learn by playing against itself, teaching itself strategy. It played both sides of the board and observed patterns to figure out how to win. The program wasn't directly programmed to play, it learned through experience. Arthur Samuel called this new idea machine learning. Machine learning was a big shift from symbolic systems in AI. Instead of programming every move, the system was designed to learn and improve on its own. The checkers program became so good that it consistently beat its own programmer. Machine learning was a groundbreaking discovery in AI. However, early machine learning systems faced a big challenge: a lack of digital data in the 1950s. Machine learning uses data as its five senses to understand the world. Without enough data, these systems could only detect simple patterns. The situation changed in the 1990s with the explosion of the Internet. The Internet led to everyday people creating massive amounts of digital data. This surge in data was like water pouring onto the dry fields of AI research. Machine learning systems now had the fuel, data, they needed to grow and become smarter. For example, if you wanted to teach a system to identify cats, millions of cat pictures were now available online. Computer scientists started creating more advanced machine learning algorithms. Some researchers even worked on systems designed to mimic the human brain. A big advantage of machine learning is its ability to grow and improve with more data. As machines find new patterns, they can adapt to the new information. However, machine learning systems still face limitations. These systems don't understand the world, they only identify patterns. Despite this, machine learning has become the fastest growing area in AI. With the increasing amount of data, machine learning systems continue to improve. Organizations are now constantly collecting vast amounts of new data. Machine learning systems are used to analyze this data and find useful patterns. AI systems help organizations make sense of the massive data they collect. For example, machine learning can help businesses identify trends or improve decision-making. The key challenge now is figuring out what to do with all the information being collected. Machine learning is still evolving, showing promise in many fields, including healthcare, education, and more. As data grows, machine learning will continue to shape the future of artificial intelligence.